Hello, have you gotten tired of paying for a private network just to stay anonymous on your Windows computer? Then worry no more. In today's, I'll be guiding you on how to set up a VPN, which is a virtual private network, just for free. Yes, you don't need to pay for anything. You don't need to make any minimum payment. This is all free and all countries. So if this is your first time coming across my channel, then don't forget to turn on the subscribe button and also hit on that notification bell to be the first to be notified each time I'll be making a video like this. Alright, without wasting much of your time, let's dive into it. First of all, what is a VPN? A VPN is a virtual private network which routes your network to a different IP, keeping you anonymous from all eye or keeping you safe from the internet. There are some companies that actually offers VPN and many other more, but you will need to pay or make a payment. So in today's video, I will be guiding you guys on how to set up a VPN in your computer for free. Alright, so without wasting much of your time, let's head on to it. First thing, open up your browser, head on to vpngentite.com. When you're in your free vpngentite.com, all you need to do is to head over to where it says free VPN. In your free VPN, select the free LTP2, which is this very one. So when we are in this section, all we need to do is to scroll down to the bottom where we can see all VPNs. So in here, we can see the Asian VPN. You can also see the European server. So we have so many servers that are being linked to it. And we can see also African server, which is other servers that are being attached. So in here, you'll be selecting the nearest server closer to your location. So for that, I'll be selecting America, and which is the American server. In here, I'll be selecting the USA. We also have other American servers that are being attached to it. So for that, I'll be using USA as an example. Open the USA or select any of the server you are compatible with or that is very close to your own location. So now when we are in this section, what we need to do is to select the exact server we want to be in. We have many servers that are being attached to this, which is the Los Angeles and other states. So for this, I'll be selecting the first server, which is the USA or USA 3. Now, let's get down to the USA 3 and click on it. Close. In here, we will be given an option to create a username for our server. Meanwhile, we have already gotten the server and we haven't gotten any username being attached to it because we'll be using or needing the username and password for this. So now let's create our username and we'll call it TechAlien1 or TechAlien1, and then assign a password to it, also TechAlien1. Now do the captcha by verifying the captcha. So in this, let's do the captcha. After verifying the captcha, click on create username. Alright, so we have successfully created our VPN server. Now we are being assigned with a username and a password which we created, and will be given a congratulations letter in here, and we can see that we have successfully made it to this level. So now all we need to do is to configure our VPN into our Windows computer. Now for that, we need to head over to this computer section and head over to the settings. In our settings, head over to where it says network and internet and scroll down to where it says VPN. Add VPN. Now we'll be adding our VPN. Either you giving it a name or you picking up a name for it. But name doesn't matter. So we'll be assigning a name to it. And we'll be calling it OpenVPN or anything. So the name that we'll be assigning to it will be the same name as the server's name. But that doesn't count. You can give it any name you wish. So here we copy our server's name and then head over to the settings. paste. Now, connection name already exists because we already have this same connection. So what we need to do is to click on connection 1. And then in our server's name, all we need to do is to copy our server's name. So how do we generate our server's name? We are already assigned with a server name. And here is our server name, which is the server's name that we'll be using, or the server name that we'll be using. So we have already made a copy of this server name here. And then head over to here and paste this server name. In VPN type, what we'll be selecting is the L2TP with the pre-key or pre-shared key. Make sure that you are selecting the one with the pre-shared key and then select. Head over here to generate your pre-shared key. So in here, we can see we now have our pre-shared key, which is this VPN Gentiles. This is our pre-shared key. Copy and head over to settings. Paste your pre-shared key over here. Now in here, we'll be selecting this option, and there are many options here, but all we'll be choosing is the username and password section to sign in our username and password. So for us to generate our username, we have to head over to the configuration section and then select this username. So we can see we have our username here, and we also have 2 usernames. So if this did not work, you can then select the second username. So for the first one, we'll be selecting the first username. Copy the first username and copy. Now head back here, paste your username. In your password section, you already created your password. Either you type it in or you pick a password where you can see your password here. So we can see our password is being assigned to this TechAlien1 and copy. Head back here and paste it. Now click on save. Let's connect to our server. Now we have successfully connected to our server, and which we are now in a different location. So for us to see if our server is corresponding with the server we have here, all we need to do is to click on show IP. Now we can see we have this IP being assigned to us, and we can head over to whoa.net or head over to whoa.net to verify. So when we are in our whoa.net, we can see we have same IP as the IP that is being assigned to us over here, 195.123, and we also have 195.123, and we can see we are still loading up, and our location is Los Angeles and in United States. So same thing we also have over here. When we come down to this place, we are being assigned to Los Angeles and in the United States of America. So when you head over to Google also to search for it, what's my IP, and select what's my IP. From here you can see that we are clearly assigned with the same IP, and which is the same IP we have over here, 195.123, and which is this same 195.123. So in here you can see that we have our location, which is Los Angeles, California, USA, and we also have the ISP, which is our internet service provider, which is Green Flood LLC. So guys, this is how to generate a free VPN or virtual private network. So for us to indicate or shows that we are being connected to the internet service provider or the virtual private network where we have been assigned to, here you can see that you are being connected to a different server. So guys, if you like this video and you enjoy it the most, please do subscribe to my channel, and also do not forget to hit on that like button while turning on the notification bell for more videos that will be posting, and see you next time.